Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Ascension HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Ascension HR login and start your search. Now once you find the login page from ascension.org, go ahead and click on it from the search results. You will now be taken into the login portal right away. Go ahead and enter your user ID within the user ID box that you have created while signing up for your account. You can then enter your account password underneath within the password section. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Ascension HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the click here option in order to reset your credentials and you will be given further assistance regarding your login. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Ascension HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.